Good evening, I am Pankhudi Jaiswal and you are watching United News. Today's headlines are: Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat officially filed her nomination papers for the Julana Assembly seat in Haryana. Elections are scheduled to take place on October 2nd in Haryana. Ahead of the Jammu and Kashmir elections, the Congress party has announced 5 key promises, including 25 lakh health insurance and interest-free loans, aimed at improving healthcare and financial support for residents. Sikh leaders protested outside Rahul Gandhi residence, demanding an apology for his recent comments made in the US. Rahul has said Sikhs are not being allowed to wear turban in India. 3 terrorists were killed in an encounter in high areas of Udhampur, Jammu. Malaika Arora's father died by suicide in Mumbai on Wednesday. The tragic incident occurred at his residence and the family is dealing with the loss and grief during this difficult time. Protest continues in Kolkata. Doctors demands a large group to be allowed to meet Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Kamala Harris slammed Donald Trump during the presidential debate, said he should not be telling a woman what to do with her body. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's recent visit to the United States has sparked major controversy back home in India. His remarks on issues like religious freedom and reservation have drawn sharp criticism from BJP leaders. Let's have a deeper look. Sudhanshu Trivedi, a Rajya Sabha MP and BJP spokesperson, expressed serious concern, accusing Rahul Gandhi of being the first leader of the opposition to meet an American politician with anti-India views. He said Rahul Gandhi is known for spreading anti-India statements, but this meeting with Ilhan Umar is troubling. Another BJP spokesperson, RP Singh, criticized Gandhi for his comments during the visit, especially on the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. Singh reminded the public that over 3,000 Sikhs were killed under Congress rule. During that time, he challenged Rahul Gandhi, saying, "I dare him to repeat in India what he said about Sikhs abroad. If he does, I will file a case and take him to court." Adding to the criticism, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also spoke out. He accused Rahul Gandhi of making anti-India and anti-national statements during his foreign trips. Shah criticized Gandhi for the aligning with forces that want to divide the country, especially with his comments on the reservation system in India. Shah strongly reaffirmed that as long as the BJP is in power, no one can abolish reservation or harm the nation's security. That's all for today. Keep watching United News.